If you're considering switching to solar power, you're likely wondering, how much do solar panels cost? Let's break down the cost of solar panels and the factors that influence their pricing. Here are the main factors affecting solar panel costs. System size. Residential solar systems typically range from 6 to 9 kilowatt. Larger systems produce more power but also come with a higher price tag. Location. Regional variations in labor, permitting, and transportation expenses can impact the cost of solar panels. Additionally, local climate conditions can affect system efficiency and power output. Installation costs. The cost of installing solar panels includes labor, mounting equipment, wiring, and permits. These expenses can vary depending on your location and the complexity of the installation. Incentives and tax credits. Governments and utility companies often offer incentives and tax credits to encourage solar energy adoption. These can significantly reduce the upfront cost of your solar panel system. Now that we have explored the factors that influence solar panel costs, let's delve deeper into the specific components and incentives that contribute to the overall expense. Let's further break down the costs. Cost per watt. Residential solar panels cost between $2.50 and $3.50 per watt on average. This price includes the panels themselves, inverters, and other necessary equipment. System size and cost. The size of your solar panel system depends on your energy needs and available space. Remember, larger systems generate more power but come with a higher cost. Incentives and tax credits. Governments and utility companies offer incentives like tax credits, rebates, and grants to promote renewable energy. The Federal Solar Investment Tax Credit in the United States, for example, can reduce your solar system cost by 30%. Solar panel costs vary based on factors like system size, location, incentives available, and its installation. Switching to solar energy saves money on bills and reduces carbon footprint. Advancements in solar technology will decrease panel costs, making it more accessible. Start researching now for the best system within your budget. Feel free to connect with us. We can help you understand costs, make an informed decision, and enjoy long-term benefits.